Good morning, everybody. Joker's back there, and yeah, we're splitting ways for a couple days because I'm heading towards Tallahassee, and he's going to go to a spot that he found on the map and hang out for a couple days. But I'm going to Tallahassee because I gotta get food and stuff, and my route goes to Tallahassee. And there's a hostel there. So, and Sunday it's supposed to rain all day long. So we'll get to that hostel tomorrow, which is Saturday. Then we'll take a zero. Wait out the rain. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful, beautiful morning. And we got about 54 or so miles to Tallahassee. Muddy. This is a muddy mess. Everything's on fire. Holy fuck.
In 1.25 miles, turn left.
up, everybody? Man, that shit was crazy. Turned onto a forest road, and then halfway down it, I had fire all around me. Holy shit, that was sketchy. I had no idea. There was no signs or anything saying prescribed burn or nothing. But I turned around, went out of it, and took another forest road. Then I ran into a lot of the firefighters. And I knew, because I used to do this stuff, I knew they was only going to be doing one section at a time. But basically, I can't go my route over the rest of my route to almost to Tallahassee. They're burning. So it's all on that one road I was going to be on the rest of the way until I got a little bit closer to town. So I'm taking Forest Road 309 to the highway, and then there's a campground right there, right before the highway. That's probably where we're going to stay tonight. So that's going to be like 30 miles. And they told me I would be okay camping there as long as I wasn't planning on camping there for days. And then from there, we'll try to figure out a way to get to Tallahassee and connect back to the route. But once we get to that campground, we'll make a plan and see what we do. What's up, everybody? Hopefully nobody gives me any trouble right here, but I'm just wore out, and yeah, I had to go way around from my route. I've done 36 miles, and yeah, I had to go on some really deep sandy roads and stuff, and it's hard pedaling. And yeah, we hit a main road here pretty soon, so I knew I wouldn't be able to camp. So most of these forest roads been fairly quiet though, so yeah, since I've been on this one, I hadn't seen anybody. Was going to camp at a campground, but there's 10 million people with RVs and shit. There was just absolutely nowhere really to put my tent unless I put it right up next to an RV. But you can see back there, that's all from that controlled burn. But they told me they showed me where they was burning today, which I'm like 7-8 miles past there. And they said they wouldn't get started tomorrow until about 10 or so. So I got plenty of time to get the rest of the way out of this area, because I only have 2 miles to 240. I don't know the name of the road, but that's where their controlled burn ends. But yeah, but it's almost 4 o'clock, so seen this spot and I just took it. Don't want to have to keep riding through the dark, possibly to try to find a campsite when there's a decent spot right there. We have about 18 miles to get to Tallahassee tomorrow, and will hopefully be staying at the Bike House, which is a hostel in Tallahassee that's mainly for bicyclists, and it's donation based. Good morning, everybody. Just packed up and getting it going. It's about 7:30, but camped right back there. Absolutely beautiful morning.
In the depths of silence, where echoes remain, you were the sunrise, and I was the rain. A collision of souls, opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light. Now you're gone, and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Now you're gone. Why did you cut me up, bring me out, and leave me high and dry?
What's up, everybody? So gone about 7 miles so far, and we made it back to the official route. And we got a little over 16 miles to the end of this map. It's gonna be awesome switching to the next one, because that takes me all the way to Key West. So we got about 17 miles to where we're staying. That sand is in your flying. So this happened. Come to the end of this, and I'm supposed to hop on the highway for a few minutes. And now I can't get over there. There's a bunch of construction going on. There's nobody here. And it's just a steep drop off on the other side of that hill. There's no way I'm going to be able to get my bike up out of there. Damn it. So now I'm going to have to figure out, I'm probably going to have to backtrack a long ways. This sucks. What's up, everybody? Made it to Tallahassee. Sorry I haven't recorded any since I hopped on the road. About half a mile into it, both my GoPro batteries died. For both, I'm using 2 GoPros, and I have no more batteries charged. And I use my phone to navigate, so I can't use it to record without stopping. So, yeah. Anyways, we're on the rail to trail now. Been on it for the last, I don't know, mile or so. And I was riding with somebody for a good while. But he had no gear on his bike, and I do. We was going about the same pace, but I've been going all day and just wore out. So I had to stop and take a break. But it was cool running into somebody else biking, because that hasn't happened very much on my trip. Just when I'm on rail to trails. It'd be nice if I would run into somebody at this hostel that's doing the same route I am, or end up running into somebody doing the same route. It'd just be cool being around somebody. Now, I did have Joker hanging around with me for 2 days when I first got to Florida. That was such an awesome time, and he's planning to come back and meet with me in about 5 days or so, because he wants to explore the other part of Florida too. So yeah, we got about 0.6 or so to the bike house.